I am joined by Martha.
Hi. Sorry guys, I haven't been posting in a while.
Yeah, same. On Thursday, I wasn't feeling too good, so I couldn't be bothered to make a video.
Okay, today we're going to be playing Hell's Kitchen.
There's a massive Roblox update, which you could get free items by completing quests.
We've already done
This
the
one?
Hell's Kitchen one, but I really playing it, so...
Martha forced me to.
No, I didn't want to.
If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe for more
I
content
really
of
on the
us.
same team.
Yeah.
I'm the Spice Overload,
I'm Spice Overload as well.
because we've been grinding on this, but I've been grinding on this. Really haven't really played much.
It's really... I mean, I have played much.
But not as much as they...
Yeah. Alright, let's start. Gordon Ramsay, please don't sue us.
I mean, please make this on the same team.
Yeah, Gordon, if you're watching this, please don't sue us.
React to this video, Gordon. See how well we do. I'm
Right.
pretty good at
Right.
this.
I'm Chef Ramsay, and this is Hell's Kitchen.
Hello.
I'm Chef Ramsay, and this is Hell's Kitchen.
The music kind of good though. So yeah, this game's free on Roblox. You don't need to pay.
On Roblox. I'll start by splitting you into two teams.
Please, 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 please.
These are your teams. Don't
No.
get too comfortable.
No, it's a team.
I'm always on the blue team.
Welcome to pre-service. Your opportunity to demonstrate your culinary skills. This task
Alright, we
is
got
all about your
focus.
culinary skills. This task is all about accuracy.
You'll be cooking duck rillets,
but
but
it wouldn't let me record it.
so that's why we're doing it on my channel.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm sorry if my avatar looks different. I just like when I'm doing TDS videos, I'll switch back, but when I'm doing different videos, I'll do this.
Okay, so I'm making duck fillet.
Alright.
What are you making?
Duck rillets as well.
I'm gonna chop my garlic.
Right, bread
and
done.
some of it. And then to boil.
It's quite nerve-wracking because if you get a mistake wrong, Gordon's like, "What are you doing?"
Great technique.
So I got 95% on the boiling. You guys? That's the quality guide by the way.
That looks amazing.
Thank you, Gordon. Quality 99.
186.
And done.
Really, see if they can see me.
So there's Martha right there.
Yay!
Comment what your favourite food is. And maybe we'll cook it. Martha, you're really quiet. What are you planning?
I'm just emoting.
Oh, fair.
Really, let's flashy dance.
Oh.
Flashy dance next new day. Hey.
And yes, this game's based off a real show by Gordon Ramsay. It's not just a random game.
Go watch it because it's really good.
But there might be some swearing in it. So,
Not in this game, it's not. So play this one.
please, 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 our team win.
Just the top performers left. No pressure. Just the top performers left.
Oh, I did the
The winning
best.
team is
I didn't do that.
the red
Yay!
team.
The winning
team is the red team.
It's not me because I did really well.
Really look?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Anyways. Guys, who shall I vote? I'm gonna vote this girl. Actually, I don't know who this girl is, so I'm gonna vote her. I've never won this before, but I've been in the final two.
Well, somebody had to go.
I think Justin Bro should have been in it rather than it now, but that's my opinion. We could Justin Bro.
No, Mark, we're still not on the same team.
Oh, no, it's so unfair.
Find the lamb sauce. Find the lamb sauce.
Where's the lamb sauce?
I'm trying to find the lamb sauce.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find it.
These people are better than us at finding the land source.
Hopefully, yeah.
I found it.
Yeah, well done. Woo.
I've never found it before.
Same.
Go and rest until it's time for the next round.
Alright.
Go and
We
rest
got like
until
10
it's time
seconds
for the
in
next round.
even moving.
Yeah.
Noises away. Noises away. Where are you?
I'm right here.
This is dinner service.
Oh, dinner service.
Okay, I'm touching this.
I like dinner service.
Juggle multiple orders.
Okay, I really hope we make quality and really very good God.
Keep them smiling.
Okay. The cheese tartlets, what are you making?
What? The cappuccino. I definitely said that wrong, but
I'm making the cheese tartlets. Oh. Okay, we don't need to, buy something.
yeah, no, I don't know how to cook in real life. This is just go, 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 go. Alright, done. That was quick, I know.
Impressive.
Okay, now I need to stable mine.
Impressive.
Okay, so hopefully my team can be fast as well.
So I need to serve it now.
Mixing, oh, that's
I'm
easy.
probably the best in my team. Okay, I'm
So-
making cupcakes.
We're making goat cheese tartlets, which sound weird.
So those are really easy to make, really.
Yeah. Oven time.
Cream fresh. Okay, that's quite a lot.
There you go. You're getting it.
Okay, Gordon hasn't said anything bad.
Which is good.
Go. Alright, another one. Done.
Okay, you said you're outside my brand. Okay, the blend that's going to be right on time.
They're loving your food.
Oh, cheers,
They're
Gordon.
loving your food.
Okay. I feel like we might have a shot now.
Okay, I'm quite good. I feel like we could have a shot here, but quite short.
Are you
Because I've got a score of 150.
boiling's fun.
What's your score, Rudy?
What? Team average?
No, it's your score.
312.
I've got 150. Oh, I need to send my
Keep that momentum.
Blender. Where's the blender?
Okay, I can make another dish.
How are you guys ahead of us? Oh, because my team sucks.
You're mastering the art.
You can see it's actually not very hard, I don't think. Did you mix?
Oh, there.
See, it's salad.
Team average 129. Oh my lord.
Well done.
Yeah, of course we're not.
129, I thought we were 160.
Yeah, our team sucks. No, my team sucks. I wish you was like the best player and you don't have to fight for your team, you have to fight for yourself. That'd be fun.
Yeah, but like, then you have no one else to blame.
You can blame the knife for being too slow.
Yeah.
Lemon. Mix.
Of course, personally, not that hard. Like, I'm not going to mix them in a crowd.
Fry.
I've never made these before.
I think I could have a shot.
Okay. I just made the last one. I made 350
Top of the class.
for my team.
Oh.
I have to say, I'm impressed.
Oh my lord. What is my team doing?
I'm impressed.
The winning team
Only
is
one team can win.
the red
The
team.
winning team is
Well done, guys.
the red team.
Yay.
Of course it's not me. I've got 400.
Yeah. We
Can I go on your team, please?
Or like we can mix teams again.
Yeah.
Or the merge. Guys, maybe next video we'll play Total Jam on Roblox.
On your channel.
Yeah, I might.
Okay, the votes have been counted. The shotgun home is Meowvera.
It's time to leave.
Same thing.
Log off.
Log off.
Time to leave. Log off.
Log off.
Go and rest until it's time for the next round.
We only get like 15 seconds, so.
Right, okay, guys.
We're going to stop playing until both of us gets out, or
Yeah.
I get out.
And me. You can spectate me, remember?
Oh yeah. My team's not good, but we at least have a decent shot.
Also, you're good. You're not gonna get out. So I'm making a beef.
I'm never going to get out. Are you making like a beef thing?
A beef carcato.
Yeah, it's easy to make. It's easy to make.
Exactly.
Are
Oh,
you,
it is.
are you assembling it?
Yeah.
Right,
Quite easy to make.
guys, do you see Martha over there? Do you see me?
Okay, I'm gonna send it. So, wait, are we the first one finished? Are we the last one on our team?
Yeah. Right, now it's just a waiting game. What's your score?
I don't know. My score's 157.
157.
Yeah.
So we're the same level.
Wait, you got 157 too?
Yeah?
I mean, they're the same. But I've got a lot more XP. Oh, really? I'll send it to you. Slash. Boy, that's not for me.
We're just vibing.
Come on, red team.
Come on, blue team.
Red team.
We're not going to win because blue team sucks.
They do suck.
Oi. I mean, I said it myself, so.
I mean,
If we beat you, then I'll be flabbergasted.
guys, look, I'm in a sunset.
Where?
Oh, really?
Please. We did well.
Time's up.
Yes!
Time's up. Scores on the
The
door.
winning team is
The blue
the
team.
blue
The
team.
winning team
Was
is.
it I'm not getting out though.
Time for
blue
the
team.
lowest
Score more
scorer
than him.
to leave Hell's Kitchen.
It's time
Yay.
for the lowest scorer to leave Hell's Kitchen.
At least you didn't get the lowest score, Martha.
Don't let
Top
the
three
door
every
hit
day.
you on the way out.
Yes.
Don't let the
It's the
door
top three.
get the way out.
Okay, guys. Oh no.
I'm good at this. I'm good.
At least it's not elimination.
Goodbye, you lot.
I'm really bad at this hobby. It's hard. It's really French fry it. No. Why is it like French fries? This one.
I'm just zooming. This is what years of obbies does to you guys. Done.
Okay, I'm like a minute.
Right.
Can you just move it?
No, I'm not doing it for you. No. Wait, you're close. You're close. The skinny fry bit is so hard. You can go on this bit then, Martha. This bit don't kill you. Go on. So jump the. Oh no, you're so close.
It's okay. I don't have to make it.
Yeah. If you got eliminated, then I would have won.
And you would have been at home.
Yeah.
No.
Wait, this girl's almost about to make it. Is it just you that hasn't made it?
Oh yeah, I got 15 seconds. How seconds?
I could do it in 15 seconds.
Sure. Took three to do it.
No.
Oh, I missed it. How did you know? Really?
I don't know.
Wait, how is this fair? It's like a 1v.
Go and rest until it's time for the next round.
I will
Go
beat
and
you
rest
guys.
until it's time
No.
for the next round.
We'll be. No, we'll team up on her.
But how is this fair? It's like a 1v2. You think I'm not fair?
I'm better than her. Well, Martha, I'm almost as good as you, but I've got an extra. I'm better than you.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm on a chopping there.
Yeah, which one are you chopping?
More tuna.
Raw tuna. Raw
Now
tuna.
I'm chopping spring onion.
I want mushrooms.
I want avocado.
Since when was there avocado?
We'll need a few different things probably.
Have you done?
No. My recipe's longer. I'm just assembling mine now.
Are you actually?
Yeah.
Mine takes so long.
Okay. There was a hard.
Boil.
Oh, I get pretty spaghetti.
Oh, lucky duck. I love spaghetti.
We're having it tonight, maybe.
Nice.
Okay. I'm on my second dish. Are you going to
Great
first?
technique.
Put it. Yeah. Just this one's so long. Assemble now. Oven cook.
You're
one are
about
you
as
doing?
slow as my grandma, and she's
You're about
dead.
as slow as my
Calm down,
grandma,
Gordon.
And she's dead.
Really, what? Really, what?
That-
What are you making?
Looks amazing.
Risotto.
Looks
Oh, Rob,
amazing.
we're going to listen to that one.
It takes so long.
Okay, now why?
You really are nailing this challenge.
You really are nailing
I'm going to finish my first one.
What's your score?
My score is 158.
Mine's 94 somehow. I got chicken Caesar salad.
Oh, that's easy though.
Is it now?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Fry.
Okay, now I'm just assembling my second meal.
You're way too slow.
Calm down,
You're way
Gordon.
too slow.
There you go. You're getting it.
There you go. You're getting it.
But I'm probably beating you guys as well.
Yeah, because my teammate sucks.
I'm making a burger. I probably make a burger in 55 seconds.
Seriously? Brilliant work.
Seriously?
I don't know, it could be close.
Maybe it is.
How am I supposed to make a burger in this time?
I'm making a burger in this time.
Yeah, because you started before me. Concentrated.
Just assembling my dish. Assembling my burger. Quickly serve my burger.
Fry.
You're so slow, it's unbelievable.
You're so slow. It's unbelievable.
Yay! Okay. Look
Well
like I
done.
won by a
You've reached
landslide.
the end. Let's see how you did.
Well done. You've reached the end.
The winning
Let's see how
team
you
is
did.
I lost.
the red
The
team.
winning team is.
It's time for the lowest
The
scorer
red team.
to leave Hell's Kitchen.
It's time for the lowest scorer.
No.
Really spectate me.
No, I'm not.
Well,
Yeah, really
somebody
spectate
had
me,
to go.
please.
Well,
Rudy, I might win. I might win, Rudy.
Somebody had to
well,
go.
guys, that is it for today's
Rudy,
video.
You can make me video. You can make me win, Rudy. Please.
No,
please.
no, no.
Please.
That is it for today's video. I've turned into Gordon himself. I am livid. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.